So today, Megan and I are making gnocchis.
Yuck, yuck.
We are going to use a recipe from the
French Laundry
Cookbook. This is one of the first cookbooks that I bought many moons ago. I think, I don't know what came first, the French Laundry or Marco Pierre White's White Heat. I have no clue. But those are one of my earlier cookbooks. Or maybe Jamie Oliver at some point.
Yeah, who are you trying to fool?
Step 1. Season with salt. Bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Action! What do we got here?
Ingredients for gnocchi.
What are we making?
I just said.
What recipe?
From French Laundry Cookbook, we're making Thomas's potato gnocchi recipe. So we have roughly 2 pounds of russet potatoes that have been roasted with salt. And we have 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour here. And we have 3 egg yolks, and we have 2 tablespoons salt, and we have all the tools that we need to make some potato gnocchi.
Actually, it's 1 tablespoon because I didn't put 2. Because last time, long ago and far away, when I made it, I thought it was too salty.
But you also said you didn't make it properly.
Okay, so what do we need to do?
So we're gonna start by ricing the potatoes.
Okay. Cut something?
So we're just gonna cut the potatoes in half, and you're gonna
We need a spoon.
scoop it out, and I'm gonna rice it through.
Okay. Just before, the recipe calls for 350 degrees for an hour. We baked for an hour and it didn't quite work, so we just leave it in a bit longer. Depends on the size of potatoes, or oven that sucks, and other things. Ooh, steam.
But we want to do this while they're still hot.
That's correct.
So we've been told.
Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna scoop them.
Out of their jackets.
He's hot.
That's why you're doing it.
Where did I get that?
You were supposed to say this.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
They're just a little bit hot. Okay.
I'll put it through.
1 second.
And,
Yeah. Just put it through
I'm
on the
just gonna
table.
put it
It's
on
fine.
our working surface here.
1 second.
Oh, sorry.
Go for it. Where's the rest of it?
That's coming. Yeah, Thomas is much stronger than I am. There we
Oh,
go.
there you go. What?
What?
Beautiful.
This is my ricer, by the way. I just wanted to throw it out.
It's my rice. I bought it.
Oh no. Yeah, and your first cookbook was a French Laundry.
It was. What do you think it was?
Is this a show of truths or a show of lies?
We're supposed to make this for dinner. I don't think it quite made it to dinner.
Yeah, we had 4 beef patties.
Shh! Don't tell the world we have beef patties for dinner.
Hey, now can we?
Yeah. I see what you did there. You didn't fill it up as much as that.
Yeah, because my hands are not wide enough to close the clamp when it's all the way full.
Oh.
So. You want to try this?
Sure. Is it something life-changing?
Yeah, I think so. Considering that
Megan wanted me to just pass it to a drum sieve.
Royce gave me the dirtiest look when I suggested that we use the rice or like the recipe called for. I don't know why. You need to put that there.
Hi, Queenie. You good dog.
She's okay.
Okay.
Now we make a well and now put riced potatoes. I'm gonna scrape this off. It's like a Play-Doh. Remember that big Play-Doh can be. Okay.
Yep.
You focused enough?
Yeah, you can push a little bit close. Yeah. That's the spot.
Okay. So what's our well look like? Something like this. Here's our well. Cool. And we're gonna do flour then eggs, right?
Yep.
That's the way.
Yep.
Got it. And then all our eggs gonna go in here.
Yep. And then more flour.
And then a little more flour.
And then I think more of that. Everything except for.
Start with this.
Yeah.
And then he says just well in the instructions he says chop it.
Chop it.
So we're gonna
Yeah.
chop it. Let's use this one. To chop the potatoes.
Quickly, and it should take 15 to 30 seconds. Starting now.
But also add more flour as needed. But in the video that we saw,
We forgot salt.
The video that we saw, it kind of just looked like they used their hands.
So use your hands. Let's go.
But not too, don't overwork it because it will be sticky. Gentle, gentle. That's looking pretty good. And but it's not supposed to be sticky.
I can scrape the sides.
Yeah, I'm trying. Oh.
I don't know if it's sticky or not because.
Okay, that's thick. So we need a little more flour because we need some on the surface anyway. What I did? How am I gonna do some of that?
"30 seconds is up."
So does that mean we're done?
I don't know.
It's not sticky. I think it's okay.
Yeah?
But the egg yolk, we
Yeah.
can still see a lot of egg yolk. I'm not sure if that's
So you should mix it until.
But don't knead so hard.
Why did you develop more gluten? You can knead harder than others.
You said if you overwork it, the potatoes will be like nasty and sticky. Something like that. I might be paraphrasing.
I like the color of these yolks though. Huh?
Yeah, that's because I got the good stuff.
Can you scrape more? I think that's it. It's not
I
sticky.
think so. Yeah, so just we should stop. Now we're gonna portion off smaller pieces that we can roll into coils that we can chop up small pieces to make our gnocchi. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Just divide it in like 3 pieces.
Yeah, well, that makes sense. We'll start with something like kind of like this.
Yeah.
Right here.
Sure.
See? We have our lightly floured surface. And then this is going to depend on the diameter that we want. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And Royce is going to tell me what diameter we want.
Skinnier, 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 skinnier.
And now I'm seeing why we want to start with smaller balls, because the bigger it is, the more difficult it is to get it kind of uniform.
So cut in half and go again.
What do you think?
Beautiful.
Okay,
Yep.
then we chop it up in depending on what size we like.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Good. And then we roll it into balls and we put those balls along our paddle. Yeah?
Yeah.
To give it the ridges. I think these are kind of small.
What?
Wait, his didn't look like that.
What?
His didn't look like it had the divot on it.
You didn't see it.
I didn't see it.
Yeah. Oh, you went like this?
Yeah, his just looked like all.
He did this. So there's two types. You can go like
Okay.
this way, push, and
I
then
like
hit
that
divot, or just roll
Or
it.
just have it have that rolly thing.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
Okay, so while we're doing that, we can start with another one. Go.